Hi everyone! This is my client personal choice of pickup. He wants to keep it. This is a 2017 Ford Ranger WILDTRAC. This got dent, scratches, and crack on the windshield. So we wash over all the body and all the dings on the bumper. We paint, and also we replace the front windshield to a brand new one. And also we upgrade all the lights because the original on this unit is all halogen. We replace it to LED, everything. And also, at the back of his pickup, his old cover is already defects. So what we did, we replaced it to Topflip Ultimate trifold cover. This is the open one, and this is a special lock feature. You can run the car for 100 kilometers per hour without worrying. And we installed the rail guard protector on this unit because the original is bare metal already, to keep the scratch out, because this is a freshly new paint. As you can see, this is how we paint here. Look like out from the factory. No overspray. Everything is removed. And also we replaced the LED bulb to higher, brighter one. And very important for a pickup is we installed Prolift tailgate assist. The purpose of this one is when you open it, it's go slow. It won't bang. Especially you have small children beside you, they will not get hurt. And also close, very simple. One finger close, see? Okay. For the interior on this unit, we also upgrade the sound system on this one. We're using the Ford inside, IS Ford 165. This is a plug and play specifically for the Ford Ranger and also for the Ford Ranger Raptor. For the front is separate, while the second row is coax. And also on the under seat, we installed focal slim subwoofer, powered subwoofer. What other? Okay. We also replace the interior to high power LED lights for more brighter. And also on this unit, the client chooses the BF Stone Plus series. This is the 90% heat rejection. The front, we're using the medium, while the side and the back are super dark. So you can see, it's very clear from the inside. No sales stock. And also Hippotech matting to keep your carpet clean. And also we interior detail and replace those defective part on the upholstery, especially like on the driver's side. It's get most often tear on this unit. Sorry. On this portion, we already replaced. See? It's like original from the factory. We replace only this portion because this portion is the leather crack of your butt going in and out of the vehicle. And we also put additional foam inside because the original foam of here is already weak already. This is how we do it here, like from the factory. Came out of the factory. What other? Okay. Lastly, for the wheels on this unit, we're using the TE37. This is the TE37 SB in matte black color with raised lug nuts and raised black chrome center cap, wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tires. By the way, this is on stock height. And see the stance from here, perfect fitment. We're using the proper offset, front and back. This is the correct stance for those. For my opinion, this is the correct stance. Stock height with this kind of tires and perfect offset for the rims. Hope you like our build here. Feel free to message me if you're interested with our products. And please like and subscribe my YouTube channel at PRS CAR ACCESSORIES and Services. See you here, guys. And by the way, no to fake wheels. Bye!